Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on our behavior channel, and in this today's video we are going to understand new element in fluid simulation. Okay, so we are going to learn a new object which is going to be used in fluid simulation from the fluid library. So today you could see what is new. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so we have already completed a video on understanding fluid objects till this tank in all our previous videos, and we are creating a series on fluid simulation, understanding fluid objects. So in this today we are going to learn about fluid pipes. Okay, so fluid pipes, you can understand how vital are those in fluid simulation, because those are the elements which are supposed to be used for transferring fluid from one location to another location. So in this today's video we are going to understand this in detail. So stay tuned in this video till end of this video. So now what I am going to do is I am just going to show you how are these pipes been filled and run out. Okay, so if you see we have a empty cans out here. I'm just running out. Okay, now if you could look at the red color which is here, and basically that is like getting dark red and then turning into light red. So this is a throbbing color. Okay, that means that the fluid is flowing from these pipes onto this tank, and when you click on this tank, this is where my tank is going to get filled. Once my tank is going to get filled, my pipes are continuously going to be in a red color, because now those are also full. And now this is going backwards and backwards and backwards, and if you could look at, this is where it is. So this is how the fluid pipes will behave like. You can look how the pipes colors, what this pipe color indicates, why are pipes used, and how are it going to be connected, and how are it to be transferred. Okay, so now that all things we are going to learn today in this video. So I'm just resetting this. Okay, so the pipes will be available from here. So this fluid pipe, if you drag in the fluid library, you will be having this pipe available here. So when you double click on this pipe, you're going to get the properties window open. In this pipe, you see here is a maximum content, which you need to specify that what should be the maximum amount of fluid in liters should be stored inside this pipe. Okay, and once it is 100 liters, then only it will be out from the pipe at a rate of 1 liter. Okay, now if you look at here, we have three options: flow evenly, then we have first available, and then we have user defined, where you can specify your input port scale factors details and output port factors. Okay, and this is where you can customize more. Okay, so but the more defaultly uses flow evenly, where it will be coming in and it will be just going out. Okay, now when you look at this input ports and output ports we have learned in our previous objects of fluid, where we have seen what does this maximum flow rate means, what does maximum port rate means, and stuffs like that. Okay, so you can refer our previous videos on fluid objects. So if you could look at, here we are, maximum content, maximum flow rate, and the flow mode. Then you can also have these different options available, where you can adjust input rates and adjust output rate. Triggers. Then when we go in the layout, we are having this editor view, and then we have table view. In the table view, we can put in the stuffs here. Okay, then you can also put in all the details required, like length, diameter, rotation, as these things which are already available in the editor view. So the editor view is quite good to look at. Now when you look at this pipe, if you want to add more sections to this pipe, you just need to click on plus and apply. When you apply, you're going to have the next section coming out here. Okay, this way is how it works when you want to create multiple sections onto the pipe. Now when I talk about a single section, this is what is the length. When you change this length, okay, it is where your length of that section pipe is going to increase. You cannot drag and increase the size of the pipe. Remember, you need to change the size of the pipe by coming in this property window. You can change the diameter from here, you can change the angle from here. When you change the angle here, I'll just show you, it will be changing out here. Can you just look at? Now your section has been changed at an angle of 90 degrees. So this is how you can change the angle and visualize how the stuffs are going to be. So this is the angle, you can set up in the pipes so that your pipe are having that cross-sectional angle. Then we have here y degrees, and to specify. You can hide your joints, you can show your joints. Then we have a joint diameter. You can just apply and check this how it looks. So this is our joint. The joint has a diameter. Then we have a joint length, which you can just specify here, apply, and you can check. So this is how you can customize your stuffs. Okay, you can have an auto size for your joint, so that based on your this diameter and this diameter, you will have an auto size for your joint. So this is how the pipes will look like. You can edit those stuffs. Initial rotation also can be modified here, okay, in terms of degrees. You can specify here. So basically these angles, to rotate the entire pipe object in Z location, you can do this. So if you could look at by 180 degree, these has been flipped by 180 degrees. Okay, so this is the feature of initial Z rotation. Okay, you can see how this pipe is behaving if you change the properties in here. Then we have a conveyor view here. When you click on that, the pipes are going to get converted just like the conveyor, and this really looks pretty. Okay, if you want to use that, you can have that being into your system. But currently, let us understand about pipes. Now when we go in the triggers, we have triggers available just like other objects of fluid we had. Then we have generals, and then we have statistics out in here. If you look at now, if you want to connect this pipe, right, it is quite simple. You need to connect this pipe with A connections. You need to connect with A connection here, A connection here, A connection here, and then A connection here. Okay. Now what I've done for the time being, I'll just reset and run this model so that we can just look at the stuffs, how it behaves. I have changed the property of this pipe's maximum capacity to 1. So this flows on 1 on 1. This will flow on 2 on 1. 10 on 1. Okay. So after 10 liters are filled, then only my fluid is going to get flowing out from the system. Okay. I'm just making this run. Okay, and now just look at this. Okay, so if you click on this pipe, you can see that my current is 10, right? I'm going to have a flow maintained in this pipe of 10 liters, and I'm going to go out from this pipe at a rate of 1 liter. So this is how it works, output and the stuffs in here. So maximum content is like 10 is already maintained, always maintained, and then the maximum flow rate of 1 is what it is just sending it out. And if you click in here, this is our third pipe, it is again 10:1. So this is how it works. So you need to connect it by A connection, change the properties of your liters, change the properties of your flow, change the length, joint diameters, angles and stuff like that, and your piping system is ready for the fluid simulation. So this is about fluid pipes, and this is how beautifully you can use the fluid pipes into the system in order to flow the material from one system to another system. Let us know guys your views in the comment section. How was this video for you? And you can access our vlogs available on our behaviorchannel.com. You can access our industrial engineering related contents, personality related contents, and finance related contents. So visit our website behaviorchannel.com. So welcome to our website behaviorchannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support. Then we provide you industrial engineering training. Then we have lectures for you, and then we have vlogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your behavior channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation, for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students, for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our BAWare channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events. And you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our homepage. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly. Because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointment. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have the option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also audio personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on our YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for, managing your finances so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background, So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can, explore our content, where we share our, views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the, best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website behaviorchannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ-related tips here and ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high-level journey for our behaviorchannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple, things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our behaviorchannel.com website daily so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website behaviorchannel.com. So see you in the next video.